legal dictation, court order, 100 words per minute, start. The petitioner is bound by the terms and conditions of the distributorship agreement dated 28/6/1999, which clearly prohibits collection of additional transportation costs as the service charges paid by the respondent oil corporation to the petitioner under the distributorship agreement includes the transportation charges also. At the outset, learned senior counsel for the petitioner on instructions would submit that the petitioner is giving up the challenge to the communication dated 19/3/2019 sent by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Government of India, to the Chief Secretaries to all the state governments and union territories, requesting the state governments, union territories not to invoke the provision of Clause 9E of LPG Regulation of Supply and Distribution Order 2000 without consultation of the oil marketing companies, and have directed them to exercise the power under Clause 9E of the said order only in cases where it is necessary in view of the geographical terrain and or the distance of the area of distribution. The learned senior counsel for the petitioner would further submit that the petitioner is restricting their challenge in this writ petition only to the impugned circular dated 6/10/2020 issued by the 7th and 8th respondents. The learned senior counsel for the petitioner drew the attention of this court to Clause 9E of LPG Regulation of Supply and Distribution Order 2000 and would submit that the previous to the aforementioned clause permits the state government to fix additional charges for home delivery of LPG cylinders to the customers according to the learned senior counsel for the petitioner in terms of the same. The various district collectors in the state of Tamil Nadu have guaranteed permission to the distributors to collect additional delivery charges for their customers according to the learned senior counsel for the petitioner. The district collector is Ramanathapuram has also issued a communication dated 16/6/2010 whereby the distributors were permitted to collect additional transportation costs from their customers. According to the learned senior counsel for the petitioner, the communication dated 16/6/2010 issued by the district collector Ramanathapuram applies to the petitioner also, who operates in Ramanathapuram district, and therefore they are permitted to collect additional transportation costs from their customers. According to him, the respondent oil corporation has also admitted in paragraph number 8 and 9 of their counter affidavit that in the past the district collectors of various districts have permitted the LPG distributors to collect additional transportation charges based on their request. The learned senior counsel for the petitioner would further contend that due to the distance in many cases, the petitioner is constrained to collect additional transportation costs from their customers. According to the learned senior counsel for the petitioner, the respondent oil corporation cannot impose restrictions in violation of the statutory power exercised by the direct collectors and Clause 9E of LPG Regulation of Supply and Distribution Order 2000, permitting the distribution to collect additional transportation costs. It is also his contention that there cannot be any estoppel against statute. Therefore, according to him, The seventh and eighth respondent impugned circular of transportation charges in non-esteem in the eye of law and violation the LPG distributors' constitutional rights. Stop.